Welcome back to Learn Cambodian. Today you're going to learn how to create a question with can in Cambodian language. Hi, my name is Dara. I'm a Khmer tutor from Khmer Lesson team, and I'm a Khmer course instructor on Udemy. Making question with can. Okay, so this lesson we're gonna learn how to make a question with can. Okay, so can in Khmer we sayអាច. Okay, so in making question with can in Cambodian, the word ban te or ban ot is used at the end of the sentence. So when you read this sentence, maybe you think about the first lesson in this course, how to make a question with yes no answer. You remember? Okay, so in that lesson you use te or ot, right, as a question word at the end, but here you just add one more word before, is ban. You see? Okay, so again, when you make a question with can, the question word at the end is this, ban te or ban ot. And which one is more common? Okay, I can say ban ot is more common, and we always use this one all the time. But for you, okay, no problem. You can use both, ban te or ban ot. Okay, so in this lesson, okay, I have, okay, oh no, here is the form. Okay, you see, here is the form of making question form with can. Okay, we have subject, can, okay, subject and can, verb, complement, and then here is a question word, ban te or ban ot. Okay, so now let's start with some example together. Okay, so I have 3 examples for you as well in this lesson. Okay, so now start from example number 1. Okay, can you speak English? Can you speak English? Okay, and in Khmer style, we say you can speak English, ban te. Okay, actually you can use both, but I don't want to write both. I choose only one. I choose ban te. Okay, so it doesn't mean I in this case I can use only ban te, but we can use both. But actually I don't want to write both. I choose only one. I choose ban te. Okay, so again, you can speak English, ban te. You see, you can speak English, ban te. And then the meaning in Khmer, អ្នក អាច និយាយ or I can say និយាយ but for speaking we say និយាយ aiming to speak. Okay, and អង់គ្លេស អង់គ្លេស mean English, and then បានទេ you see. Okay, don't forget when you make a question, your voice at the end must be like this, បានទេ a little bit up, a little bit high, បានទេ Okay, again, អ្នកអាចនិយាយអង់គ្លេសបានទេ អ្នកអាចនិយាយអង់គ្លេសបានទេ Okay, and then vocabulary below is អ្នក is you, អាច is can, អាច និយាយ is to speak, and អង់គ្លេស is English. Okay, yeah. Okay, now go to example number 2. Example number 2, can you go with me? Can you go with me? Okay, and then in my style, you can go with me, ban te. You can go with me, ban te. And then meaning in Khmer, អ្នក អាច ទៅ ជាមួយ ខ្ញុំ បាន ទេ អ្នក អាច ទៅ ជាមួយ ខ្ញុំ បាន ទេ Okay, so you can go. Okay, go is ទៅ with ជាមួយ me ខ្ញុំ Okay, អ្នក អាច ទៅ ជាមួយ ខ្ញុំ បាន ទេ Okay, Go to example number 3. Can you cook? Can you cook? Or can you make food? Okay. And in Khmer, you can cook bàn tế. You can cook bàn tế. And then when you translate into Khmer,អ្នកអាចធ្វើម្ហូបបានទេ? អ្នកអាចធ្វើម្ហូបបានទេ? And then for the word to cook, in Khmer we say ធ្វើម្ហូប ធ្វើម្ហូប And then if you want to separate word by word, ធ្វើ it means to make or to do. And then ម្ហូប is food. Food. So for the word to cook, you can translate from the word make food, right? Okay. Make food. Okay. So again, អ្នកអាចធ្វើម្ហូបបានទេ? Okay. Okay, and in this lesson as well we have note. Okay. So here is the note for making question with can. Okay, so in speaking, you can silent can. You see? Example number 1, number 2, number 3. In English you say you can. But in Khmer you can silent it. So you just say, you speak English. Bàn tế? For example number 1. And number 2, you go with me bàn tế? And number 3, you cook bàn tế? And then now I start to translate from example number 1 for you, but without can. Okay, so in example number 1, I say អ្នកនិយាយអង់គ្លេសបានទេ? អ្នកនិយាយអង់គ្លេសបានទេ? So you see, I don't say can, but the meaning still complete. Okay. Number 2, you go with me បានទេ? So in Khmer, អ្នកទៅជាមួយខ្ញុំបានទេ? អ្នកទៅជាមួយខ្ញុំបានទេ? And then number 3, you cook បានទេ? So in Khmer, អ្នកធ្វើម្ហូបបានទេ? អ្នកធ្វើម្ហូបបានទេ? Okay. So again, making question with can, you can silent act in Cambodian language, but ban te and ban ot you have to use. Okay, so that's all for this lesson, and thanks for watching. See you in next lesson.